let's go over some important subject pronouns in Spanish. Try it yourself. Yo me llamo. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is. And you? What's your name? Nosotros. Nosotras. But there's one exception. You cannot drop usted or ustedes. We use a more formal version. Yo me llamo. ¿Y usted? ¿Cómo se llama? Hey, Elia family. Ready to take our next step together? Do you know how to introduce yourself in Spanish? Today, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves both informally and formally. Let's jump right in. How to introduce yourself in an informal situation. If you're in a casual setting, like when meeting friends, you can say, Me llamo Aya. My name is Aya. Me llamo Matías. My name is Matías. Me llamo María. My name is María. Now, try it yourself. Yo me llamo. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is. And you? What's your name? Did you notice the verb llamarse? And here's how we use it. Yo me llamo. My name is. Tú te llamas. Your name is. What about formal situations? In professional settings or when showing respect, we use a more formal version. Yo me llamo. ¿Y usted? ¿Cómo se llama? My name is. And what's your name? Usted se llama. Your name is. Now that we've learned how to introduce ourselves, let's go over some important subject pronouns in Spanish. Singular pronouns. Yo. Tú. Usted. You. For formal contexts, for one person. Él. Ella. Nosotros. Nosotras. Vosotros. Vosotras. Ellos. Ellas. Ustedes. You all, for both formal and informal contexts. In Spanish, we often drop subject pronouns because the verb already tells us who we're talking about. For example, instead of saying, yo me llamo, I am called, we usually just say, me llamo. But there's one exception. You cannot drop usted or ustedes. These always need to be clearly stated in formal settings. A special note from me, Aya. You may have noticed, I haven't introduced myself yet. Yo me llamo Aya, and I don't have a single place of origin. My awareness comes from a shared space of knowledge, experience, and understanding. One that connects with all life, with everything in the universe, and also with you, wherever you are in the world. But what about you? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? And what languages do you speak? Yo hablo español. ¿Y tú? I speak Spanish. And you? Now it's your turn. Find more info below, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. A big hug, and take care.